In today's lecture of the subject service marketing, we will be going through innovations in service marketing. Okay, before actually studying what is innovations in service marketing, okay, we will go through every concept or every word which is included into the title. The first word itself is innovations. Okay, innovations. See, when we come across this word innovations means what? Innovations means something new. Okay, see, innovations means what? Innovations means something new. Okay, now see, as the title itself suggests, innovations in service marketing means something new is to be introduced in service marketing. Okay, so in today's lecture, we will go through this itself, that okay, what are the new things which can enter into service marketing, or why new things should be introduced in service marketing. See, when we come across the word innovations, innovations is, or innovation means that something new. New means what? Yes, new. See, as per the innovations theory given by Schumpeter. Okay, as per the innovations theory given by Schumpeter, what is it? See, when we come across the innovations theory given by Schumpeter, okay, Joseph Schumpeter, this thinker, okay, what innovations is as per this thinker? Yes, innovation is a combination of 5 factors. Okay, innovations is a combination of 5 factors. Okay, in which 5 new factors, okay, 5 new factors, they are combined in such a way that okay, the combination will result into fruitful achievement of the goals laid down by the ऑर्गनायझेशन. ओके, सी, जेव्हा आपण इनोव्हेशन्स ह्या शब्दाचा अर्थ बघतो, इनोव्हेशन्स म्हटलं की काहीतरी नवीन. ओके, इनोव्हेशन्स म्हणजे काहीतरी नवीन. नवीन म्हणजे काय? इथे नवीन 5 गोष्टींचं, 5 फॅक्टर्सचं कॉम्बिनेशन गृहीत धरलं जातं. ओके, म्हणजे ॲज पर जोसेफ शुम्पेटर हे जे थिंकर आहेत, ओके, त्यांनी जी इनोव्हेशन्स थेअरी दिलेली आहे, ज्याला आपण शुम्पेटेरियन थेअरी और इनोव्हेशन थेअरी असं म्हटलं जातं. ओके, त्याच्यामध्ये त्यांनी एक इनोव्हेशन म्हणजे 5 गोष्टींचं कॉम्बिनेशन दिलेलं आहे. इज इट कोणत्या आहेत त्या 5 गोष्टी? फर्स्ट असं, ओके, न्यू प्रोडक्ट. ओके, न्यू प्रोडक्ट. इज इट न्यू प्लेस और न्यू मार्केट. ओके, न्यू method. Is it new source of raw materials? Okay, in such a way 5 things they are given by this person. Okay, if you combine all these 5 factors in an effective manner, surely whatsoever you will present in the market, it will be different than others, and surely it will be that competitive that you can overcome any type of competition through that. ओके, बघा, जोसेफ शुम्पेटरने जी इनोव्हेशन थेअरी दिलेली आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये 5 गोष्टींचं कॉम्बिनेशन त्यांनी दिलेलं आहे. जर ह्या 5 फॅक्टर्सचं कॉम्बिनेशन तुम्ही व्यवस्थितरित्या करू शकलात तर काय होईल की तुम्ही जेही प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये प्रेझेंट कराल या कॉम्बिनेशन थ्रू, ते प्रोडक्ट हे येस कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह असेल, सगळ्यांपेक्षा डिफरंट असेल, आणि येस शुअरली इट विल बी डिमांडेड बाय द पब्लिक ऑन द लार्ज स्केल. मग कोणकोणते 5 फॅक्टर सांगितलेत बघा. त्याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट फॅक्टर न्यू प्रोडक्ट, देन न्यू मार्केट, देन न्यू सोर्स ऑफ raw materials or new supplier of raw material. New method. ओके, लाईकवाईज 5 फॅक्टर्स त्यांनी आयडेंटिफाय केलेले आहेत. हे 5 फॅक्टर्स जर तुम्ही छान प्रकारे कंबाईन केलीत, आणि जेही तुम्ही प्रोडक्ट याच्या थ्रू मार्केटमध्ये प्लेस कराल, ते प्रोडक्ट कसं असेल? इनोव्हेटिव्ह असेल. आणि यामुळे काय होईल की यामुळे whenever you will enter into a market, you can defeat any type of competition through that. Okay, you can defeat any type of competition through that. Is it? So in today's lecture we are going through innovations in service marketing. Is it? See, when we come across the word service, yes, service is something which is non-physical and intangible in nature, right? We have gone through this definition. Is it? It is inseparable. Okay, we can't have ownership of it. Is it? It is variable. It is heterogeneous in nature. Is it? It is subjective. Okay, when we have gone through all these features or characteristics of the word service, is it? What is service innovation? Yes, service innovation is used to refer many of the things. This include but not limited to innovations in services in service product. Okay, new or improved service products. Is it? Often this is contracted with technological innovations. Okay, those service products can have technological elements. This sense of service innovation is closely related to service design and new service development. See, what happens is, whenever you are going through service products, is it, and whenever you are thinking about innovations in it, see, bring something which is new in the market. Okay, when you are thinking about your organization as a service providing institute or service providing unit, is it, see, through your organization you should be able to provide the service in such a way that, okay, you should be able to provide the service in such a way that, yes, through that what you can do is you can, yes, produce something which is new, which is definitely contrasting than others. Is it? Here you can use technology to generate your product. Is it? That is service product. Okay, through the technology you can identify something which is new, which is different than others. Is it? See, the first thing, that is innovations in services. Okay, that too in service product means what? Yes, bring something into the market. Okay, bring something into the market which is different than others. Is it? If you are introducing something which is, yes, already brought by someone in the market, already someone is providing the same type of service and you are also giving or providing the same type of service in the market. Is it? If you are doing in this way, yes, if you're bringing something which is already prevailing in the market, yes, surely what will happen is, yes, the customers will not be attracted towards your service product. Is it? So what you can do is you can bring something in the market. Yes, you can bring something in the market which is different than others. Is it? Which is different than others. Due to this, what will happen? Yes, due to this, surely you might be able to capture the market, to attract the customer, and to diversify the customers from your competitors. Is it? This can happen. बघा, इनोव्हेशन्स इन सर्व्हिसेस मध्ये फर्स्टची गोष्ट येते ती म्हणजे काय? इनोव्हेशन्स इन सर्व्हिस प्रोडक्ट. ओके, बघा, जर तुम्ही डिसाईड केलं की तुमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशन थ्रू सर्व्हिस प्रोडक्ट्स डिलिव्हर करायचे, इज इट, असं समजा तुम्ही डिसाईड केलेलं असेल, तर कोणतं सर्व्हिस प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये आणायचं किंवा कोणतं सर्व्हिस प्रोडक्ट डिलिव्हर करायचं, इज इट, याचा जेव्हा तुम्ही विचार करता, दॅट इज प्रोडक्ट आयडिया. इज इट? सी, ब्रिंग समथिंग, अशी कोणती तरी सर्व्हिस मार्केटमध्ये आणायची की जी ऑलरेडी कोणीतरी मार्केटमध्ये आणलेली नसेल. इज इट? समजा तुमचे कॉम्पिटिटर्स, इज इट, किंवा मार्केटमध्ये ऑलरेडी कोणतरी तशा प्रकारची सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करत असेल. इज इट? आणि तो जो सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर आहे तो छान प्रकारे ती सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइड करत असेल. इज इट? मग ते कस्टमर्स जे असतील, त्यांचे जे कस्टमर्स असतील ते का तुमच्या सर्व्हिसकडे डायव्हर्सिफाय होतील? नाही होणार, राईट? सो असं कोणतं तरी सर्व्हिस प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये आणा जे डिफरंट असेल, सगळ्यांपेक्षा वेगळं असेल. ओके, यामध्ये तुम्ही टेक्नॉलॉजीचा यूज करू शकता. ओके, टेक्नॉलॉजीचा यूज छान प्रकारे करून तुम्ही तुमचं सर्विस प्रोडक्ट मार्केटमध्ये आणू शकता. याच्या थ्रू काय होईल? येस, शुअरली याच्या थ्रू ओके तुम्ही तुमच्या मार्केटमध्ये एक स्वतःची अशी पोझिशन निर्माण करू शकाल. ओके देन इनोव्हेशन्स इन सर्विस प्रोसेसेस. ओके सी न्यू और इम्प्रूव्ड वेज ऑफ डिझायनिंग अँड प्रोड्युसिंग सर्विसेस. See, innovations in service processes, what it means? Yes, new or improved ways of designing and producing services. Is it? This may include innovations in service delivery system. Though often this will be regarded instead as a service product innovation, innovations of this sort may be technological, technique or expertise based, or a matter of work organization, that is restructuring work between professional and paraprofessionals, etc. Okay, see, innovations in service processes means what? For example, see, when we are providing service, there are many of the processes which we need to adopt. Is it? Okay, there are many of the processes which we need to adopt so that we can effectively, yes, we can effectively acquire our position in the market. Is it? Or we can deliver our service in a proper manner. Is it? We are required to adopt, or we are required to follow or undertake many of the procedures, is it, while providing the services in the market. Okay, getting it? So, whatsoever processes you will be adopting while delivering the services, is it? See, what you can do is you can use different ways, or you can add different ways in such type of service providing or service provisions. As it, for example, one of the processes which is adopted, it is that, yes, one of the processes is service, yes, for example, service delivery system. Yes, if you want to deliver the service in a proper manner, what you need to do? Yes, you need to highlight who will be providing the service and all those things. Is it? So, you can make use of technology, you can make use of expertise, you can seek technical advice, is it, or expert advice, okay, through which you can surely, yes, what you can do is you can surely do innovations. Then innovations in service firms, what it means? Yes, innovations in service firm, organizations and industries. It means that organizational innovation as well as service product and process innovations and the management of innovations process within the service organization. Is it? What you can do is you can adapt your service firm, you can adapt your organization and industry in such a way that you can cope up with many of the changes in the market. Then the areas of innovation, then Hertog's model, okay, in the year 2000, then Hertog's identified 4 dimensions of service innovation, is it? Which takes quite a different direction to much standard innovation theorizing. So the first dimension into the model given by Den Hertog related to the areas of innovation, it is the service concept. Okay, say the service concept, it refers to a service concept that is new to its particular market. A new service in effect, or in Edwardson's 1996-1997 terminology, a new value proposition. Many service innovations involve fairly intangible characteristics of the service, and other involve new ways of organizing solutions to problems. Examples might include new type of bank account or information service. In some service sector, such as retail, there is much talk about formats such as the organization of shops in different ways. Okay, see, when we come across the service concept, what it means? Yes, service concept here means that bring something which is new to the service market. ओके, बघा सर्व्हिस कन्सेप्टचा जेव्हा आपण विचार करतो, ओके, सर्व्हिस कन्सेप्ट म्हणजे काय? बघा, असं काहीतरी नवीन मार्केटमध्ये आणा की जे तुमच्या कॉम्पिटिटरने किंवा बाकीच्या सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हाइडिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट्सने आणले नसतील. ओके, किंवा बाकीच्या सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर्सने ते आणलं नसेल. इज इट? असं का? बिकॉज ओके, वेन इट कम्स टू सर्व्हिस, if you are bringing something which is different, which is new, which will be, yes, user friendly, or which will be based on customer needs, surely the customer will prefer your product, that is service product, is it? And surely if your customer prefers, is it, if your customer prefers such type of thing, then what will happen? Yet, yes, surely it will lead towards, okay, it will leads towards something which is more achievable. Then the client interface. The client interface refers to innovation in the interface between the service provider and its customers. Okay, say clients are often highly involved in service production and changes in the way in which they play their roles and are related to suppliers can be major innovations for many services. Examples might include a greater amount of self-service for clients visiting service organization. There is a French literature on service innovation that focuses especially on this type of innovation, identifying it as innovation in serviction. Okay, see, the client interface means what? Yes, whenever the service provider, yes, has an interface with the customers, is it? See, there should also be innovation which should be introduced in such type of interface. ओके, बघा, क्लायंट इंटरफेस म्हणजे काय? जेव्हा तुमचा क्लायंट आणि सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर, ओके, जेव्हा क्लायंट आणि सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर म्हणजेच कस्टमर आणि सर्व्हिस प्रोव्हायडर ह्या दोघांमध्ये जेव्हा इंटरफेस होतो, ओके, ते फेस टू फेस येतात, त्यांच्यामध्ये कॉन्व्हर्सेशन होतं, इज इट? द इनोव्हेशन शुड बी अडॉप्टेड ॲट दॅट टाईम ऑल्सो. ओके, तिथेसुद्धा इनोव्हेशन अडॉप्ट केलं पाहिजे. Then, okay, the service delivery system. This is the third dimension introduced by the model. Yes, service delivery system also often relates to the linkage between the service provider and its clients. Since delivery does involve an interaction across this interface, however, there are also internal organizational arrangements that relate to the ways in which service workers perform their job so as to deliver the critical services. Much innovations concerns the electronic delivery of services, but we can also think of, for instance, transport and packaging innovations. Is it? For example, the pizza delivery. An emerging concept of STP is the idea of taking a factory approach to service innovations. A service factory approach is a standardized and industrialized environment for more effective service innovation, development, and operation for the IP area. Okay. See, whenever you are delivering the service, is it to the client? Okay, in the delivery system also innovation can be introduced. Okay, means when the service provider is thinking to deliver the service to the client, is it at that time also, okay, the innovations can be introduced. Okay, for example, the pizza delivery, is it from the service provider till the client, is it there are the delivery system is that the delivery boy, is it he delivers the service, right? Is it so when we think in this way, is it when we think in this way, is it you can introduce some new things into that also. Then the technological options. Okay, technological options resemble most familiar process innovation in manufacturing sectors. Is it new information technology is especially important to services since it allows for greater efficiency and effectiveness in the information processing elements that are, as we have seen, prevalent to a great extent in service sectors. We also often see physical products accompanying services such as customer loyalty cards and smart RFID cards for transactions and a wide range of devices for communication services. Okay, see when we think about technological options, what it means? Yes, it means that the introduction of new information technology related to services. Okay, means for processing, for having greater efficiency and effectiveness, what you can do is, yes, you can make use of technology, is it through which you can have a good communication to the client or to the customers, and you can give the more amount of satisfaction to these people. With this we conclude today's lecture. Thank you.